I chose LSBF because of its global reputation and its diverse learning community, which will give me international exposure in the future. And then I realized that a school's career-focused approach that really helped me to prepare for the future. The learning journey in LSBF has been transformative. I transformed from a project leader to present my project with the classmates who are from all over the world, and then overcoming the challenges, and all these shaped me to be strong, confident, and resilient. They always ensured that I felt supported. And the career guidance workshops conducted at LSBF, which gave me valuable insights and practical skills for my professional life. Treasure every moment you spend here. The friendship you built, the challenges you face, and the lessons you learned all will stay with you long after graduation. This is not the end of your learning journey, but this is the beginning of something greater.